Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BMSN. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. Been doing this one quite a bit recently. It has been a week or so since the last time I did it, but want to get things updated. Had some questions on it, especially after this pullback here. But I just want to first start off with a video saying, assuming you care about the overall chart and are not a day trader or something like that, you know, that bought up here or something, the chart is still totally fine. It's actually, after today, looking even better. But even during this portion here was still bullish action. And before you call me crazy and ask, you know, how could you call this bullish action? You know, let's just, you know, give me a chance here to explain. So on that note, what justifies me to say that? Well, if you've watched the videos I've done in the past, you've seen where all these lines came from, but I want to just stick with right now this green line here, which, like I said, if you've watched other videos, you know this is the long-term trend line, and as long as the price remains above here, then the chart remains in a bullish uptrend. So if I extend this out some, you can see that even with this pullback, not only did the price not even test it, but obviously it's still up above there. So the overall chart since back here in early May is still in this overall uptrend. Now, sure, like I said, if you're a day trader and you bought a pair, you could care less about this. But if you're in this for the overall chart, the overall play, then this is the key level of support that's been needed to continue to hold, and that's exactly what happened. And in fact, this 50-day simple moving average, which is this purple line here, price fell below it by just a day, and then look how fast the price got up above there and has since been holding until today's nice bullish day. So from the overall view and the way that it's acted, not only with maintaining above this overall trend line, but then the speed at which it got back up above this key level of support down here, that purple line, you know, those are all good bullish signs for the overall chart. Now, whether or not you're a day trader or the overall chart, obviously today is a good looking candle, closed right up there at the high of day of 0.0038. But what I really like seeing in today's action was that the price was able to get back up above this yellow line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average. So this level has turned back into a support again up there at 0.0035. Now, in terms of resistance levels, this red line, like I said, I pointed out from previous videos, this still remains a level of resistance. And you can see here, actually, when the price did get above it, a nice spike did happen. Price just wasn't able to maintain it. But this level remains an area of resistance. And then potentially another shorter term, and I'm going to leave this line a skinny red one because while it is a resistance, I think if this momentum keeps up, this isn't going to put up much of a fight. But right up here at 0039, 004, whatever you want to call it, I could see this acting as a little bit of resistance. But again, I'm going to leave this line skinny because I don't really foresee it putting up too much of a fight. But if the price can break through this level of resistance up here, then you can see that really nothing until right up here around high fours or even, you know, those low fives. So lots of room to run. Gotta love the volume increase down here after this consolidation. You can see sideways price action, much lower volume, as any volume, you know, analysis textbook or blog article or whatever you want to read about it will tell you. You want to see the lower volume during sideways price action, and that's exactly what happened here. So, you know, good sign on all those fronts. So it'll be a very interesting rest of the week. So we'll see how the price reacts as it gets up towards these levels of resistance. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll receive an ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course, over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was BMSN. Thanks for listening.